4 minutes for an opening statement. So all of the candidates here will have an opportunity to respond. Their responses are in the order that we heard back from them in terms of their participation. And at the end of 4 minutes, they will be cut off. I'm going to be acting as timekeeper. I have my little 30 seconds left, warning sign for all of you, and my little bell. And Rita will be absolutely ruthless in cutting people off at the end of their time. So after we get a chance for all candidates to give their presentation, we'll move into the second piece of the event, which is a chance for our distinguished panel, Fergie Brown and Fiona Nelson, and I'd also like to extend my thanks to them for agreeing to participate in this order event this afternoon. They will have a chance to ask a number of the questions that have been developed by the Toronto Seniors Forum around key issues. After that, we're going to give them until 3 o'clock for the panel discussion. After that, we will have about 20-25 minutes of opportunities for questions from the floor. I'm sorry that because time is so limited, it's a limited amount of time. So just a reminder, asking people to be very brief and actually ask questions and not make speeches. And in terms of responses to questions, the way that they will be targeted is both panel and people from the floor. We're asking you to address your question to one candidate only, and that candidate will have an opportunity to respond. If that one candidate, in their response, raises issues about another candidate's position, then the candidate who is named will have a chance for a very brief rebuttal, no more than 1 minute. But because we have so many candidates and so many questions, our decision was to limit it to one candidate per question for the question and answer period. So those are the rules we set out. What we've tried to do is maximize the opportunity for everybody's participation for the maximum number of questions and to address the fact that when we started, we could have had as many as 40 candidates. So I hope that the rules that we come up with we try to square some challenges and very conflicting interests in terms of wanting to give everybody a fair shake and give people a chance to direct their questions. So hopefully we've achieved a good balance. So those are the rules of the game, and it is my pleasure at this point to turn things over to our moderator, Rita Burke.